Hey everyone, this is the TASVAC Bed Vacuum Cleaner, and with so many pets here at home, I decided to get something to clean up my bed. So I'm going to be opening and showing you guys how it works and everything about it. Let's go. Alright you guys, so here it is. Take a look at this thing. It is so cool. First of all, I want to acknowledge that they made the cord nice and long. Look how much it is wrapped. So it's definitely going to work for me in reaching all those spaces in my bed. I also like how they made the handle right here. And this thing is incredible. It's going to get rid of all the fur that my pets leave on my bed every night. And of course, it comes with replaceable filters, a little cleaning brush, and the manual, of course. So let's go test it out because I am so excited to see how powerful this thing is.